Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we are going to draw the beak of an eagle. So this is in our little series of bird beaks, and I think that it's good to rediscover once in a while things about these beautiful, wonderful, almost perfect creatures that we sometimes forget. So what we have is, you could start off with just like two ovals like this, so very prolonged ovals. So this one real big and this one a little small, and that is a beak, that is the head. So what we can just do is now sketch around it, and generally the top of the profile would come around somewhere like that. And we could actually even round up the profile, keep it streamlined, just like a jet fighter, and have that go into the head. And then right around here we have to throw in a curvature like that, come all the way back there, pretty much back there, do that, and come back into the beak right there. And then this, let's call it the mouth, or the upper beak, with these slight like curves and whatnot, comes back right into here. So opens like nice and wide. We could bring some of these ridges in here like that, because that's how it usually is. And then a slightly heightened area for the sensing organs, and there's the receptor or the nostril right there. And then the eye, so you could do a bulge like that, like very faint lines, come right back in here, and we have to give that little angry expression. We can put it right here, I think. So there's the bird's eye coming into view, and then have elements right around it just blending in, sort of like that. And that is how we do the beak of an eagle. So now you mentioned that these wondrous creatures, so that is really the profile of a bald eagle. So usually it's recognizable by the feathers, like going around its white feathers, yellow beak, very striking to look at always. And if we want to, of course, delve a little bit further into the sketch and would like to make certain things a little more prominent in the sketch, we could just go outline this, and then just put some crosshatch in. Of course, if we want to make this into a work of art, we are going to take our sweet time and make sure that we have more than just a little bit of crosshatch going. In that case, of course, we will be ensuring that we have a lot of tones in place. So the eagle's beak, pretty much like the beaks in the rest of the bird kingdom. So there's a little gap here, like that. Gives a little character. So composed of keratin, the same material that comprises our hair and nails, but it is almost as if it is meticulously, not really almost, it is meticulously designed to do its work. It's reinforced right from here, right till the sensors. There are instances where the eagle's beak might break, and that is usually, for instance, there was an incident where an eagle dove for one of the smaller animals. By the way, it can hunt like young deer, it can fight a fox, and even some other beasts. I've even seen in one certain documentary an eagle, it was a golden eagle, fighting a badger, and he actually chasing it off. So it's really strong, and it has that advantage of flight, and it has those talons, its claws, which are purposely designed to defend, to kill, and that is why it counts as still as one of the number one predators in the sky, if not the number one predator. There's hawks and peregrines who have their own beauty about flight, and certain aspects of their flight are, they surpass the eagle, but overall, to stay aloft and fight an animal that is perhaps grounded, but it is twice its size, the eagle has the distinction of doing this very effectively and very routinely. And we're just putting in some crosshatch while we're talking about this wonderful bird. And its ability to see from even like close to 1,500 feet, it can spot something as tiny as an ant right from the sky. It can spot fish from real high up, even from almost from just below like cloud level, and it can make a dive for it with precision, striking precision. But there was an instance where, a few instances, but there was one in which it dove for a smaller animal on top of a tree, and it somehow missed. But the animal instinctively moved out of the way. The eagle painfully lost its beak. Then that's where human compassion triumphs, and a bunch of researchers struggled and caught it, and then they had that beak replaced with a prosthetic beak, which they said could be as effective as its natural beak, but it weighed different, it felt different, and it would take the eagle time, and perhaps it would never adjust to it, but it would be able to live. It would be able to live a little longer and survive. So that was a good moment of human compassion that really gave hope that we can do good by animals and birds. So there is the beak of the eagle, designed to rend and tear even upon contact, very lethal, and very meticulous. So again, the sight, the beak, the aerodynamics, something that actually surpasses the mere theory of natural selection and advancement. So it is quite a few of these elements in the eagle are very well thought and very well conceived, and that is why it thrives in the way it lifts. Thank you for watching. We put out content pretty much every day, so please check it out. Please subscribe, keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.